In late September of 2019, on a Sunday morning at the 9 o'clock Mass, as I was walking back to my pew after receiving communion, I noticed a woman sitting in one of the pews who looked vaguely familiar. And as I racked my brain, I came to realize that her name was Alicia, that we had met a couple of times professionally, but it had been 8 years since we had seen each other. And even though we had lived in the same neighborhood, our paths had never crossed after, several years. So, by accident, that particular day, I was giving an announcement about the formation of a Just Faith group at my home parish, St. Vincent's. Alicia, as it turns out, decided to join the group because she was new to the parish. After one of our first meetings, she announced to the group that she was going to be interviewing a particular theologian. That was part of her job. She would interview spiritual writers, theologians, and then write up those interviews. And she asked us if any of us had ever heard of this theologian. And I said, well, yeah, I've heard of him. I've read a lot of his things. And so I said, if you ever want to get together to do a little prep work for your interview, that would be fine. And we did. We met at a local restaurant and we spent about 10 minutes talking about this theologian and the rest of our 3 hours together just getting to know each other. And we hit it off instantly. We continued to see each other, get to know each other better, and we fell in love with each other. And now we are preparing to be married next year. We have both said that we were prepared to live the rest of our lives alone. That was our will. But through grace, we were able to meet. We were able to get together. We were able to fall in love and to plan to live the rest of our lives together. This is just one more example of the power of grace in life, the power of those totally unmerited blessings that come our way. I offer these examples to you as a starting point for reflection. I invite all of us to think about those times in our lives, those moments when we have received completely unmerited blessings, when we have been the beneficiaries of God's grace.